Hello, I'm Carl and welcome to Festool TV. In this video I would like to show you the system accessories for the CARVEX range of jigsaws. All CARVEX jigsaws come supplied with a no-mark base, which is suitable for most applications. However, for perfect results, the base can be changed to suit the required application. The base is simply changed by pressing the release point and sliding towards the front of the jigsaw. Reverse the process to lock the alternative bases into position. Let's look at the 4 bases available and their uses. Firstly, for when cutting uneven surfaces such as rough sawn timber, there is the anti-friction base. On the opposite end of the scale, there is the stick fix base. This is used in combination with the stick fix felt to ensure scratch-free cutting on easily marked surfaces such as high gloss panels and boards. For harder materials where spoil could ingress into the no-mark base, resulting in surface scratches, there are 2 bases. The hard base for cutting hardwood, and the metal base for metal cutting. All the bases are compatible to use with the splinter guards to produce splinter-free cutting. As well as square cutting, other tasks we often ask of a jigsaw are bevel and scribe cuts. As many of us know, there is nothing worse than when you need to make angled cuts, searching around for an Allen key or tool to loosen a jigsaw base to make angled cuts. Not to mention the difficulty in setting the exact base angle. Even worse, when returning to square cutting, getting the base to return to exactly 90 degrees. The solution is the CARVEX angle table. The angle table can be adjusted to the exact angle you require using the adjustment wheel at the back. Simply open the green lever on the CARVEX to release the base clamp. Swap the base and close the lever. Let's insert an FSG blade and complete a cut. Now, returning the CARVEX to square couldn't be simpler. Simply remove the angled base and return to the fixed base. But wait, there's more. What if we want to complete a perfectly straight cut line? Even operators with the steadiest of hands will struggle to achieve a perfectly straight cut line. But as with all things Festool, systems get it done with the base adapter. As with the angle base, the base adapter is simply installed on the CARVEX using the quick change base lever. The adapter base is now compatible with the FS guide rails. Using the opposite side of the rail to a saw, we ensure no damage to the Splinter Guard, and the CARVEX jigsaw will now follow the perfectly straight rail. The Splinter Guard can also be installed for splinter-free cutting, along with the extraction adapter for cleaner working. The board can now be squared again. Finally, my personal favourite part of the CARVEX accessories, the core maker. The core maker connects to the base adapter and allows coring cuts up to 150 centimetres in diameter. A 4mm centering hole is drilled. Select the required diameter and lock into position with the adjustment wheel. Select the required diameter and lock into position with the adjustment wheel. If you were cutting a complete circle, mark a section of the core with your pencil. Create an entry point for the blade on the internal or external offcut of the core. Align the blade with a marked line. Once the blade and CARVEX are in position, connect the core maker to the adapter base on the same side as the centering pin and complete the core cut. In this instance, I can start the cut off the board. Either for jig making or perfect circular apertures, the CARVEX jigsaw will produce perfect results every time. All the CARVEX accessories are available individually, but of course for maximum value, safe storage and connection to your Festool system, the CARVEX accessories are also available in a full set in the Sustainer. I'm Carl, and thank you for watching Festool TV UK.